हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी कैप्सूल। दोस्तों सभी का स्टडी कैप्सूल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। हमारा आज का वीडियो है मंथली करंट अफेयर्स वन लाइनर्स। ये है फरवरी 2017 का वीडियो। मतलब कि फरवरी 2017 ये जो महीना था, इसमें जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट अफेयर्स करंट अफेयर्स थे जो कि आपके एग्जाम्स में पूछे जा सकते हैं, उनके हम वन लाइनर्स में उनके डिटेल्स आपके पास लेकर आए हैं। वन लाइन में आपको जल्दी जल्दी बताएंगे। ठीक है, जैसे कि आपको हमने पहले ही बताया है, ये वन लाइनर्स होता है, इसमें हम ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं बताते, बस जो हाइलाइट्स होती हैं वो बताते हैं। जो भी सवाल हमें लगते हैं कि जो इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं वो हम इसको अलग वीडियो बनाते हैं, जिसको हम वीकली जो होता है हमारा उसमें आपको बताते हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो सर शुरुआत करते हैं आज की वीडियो की। दिस इज स्टडी कैप्सूल। आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और हमारे वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो उन्हें लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। तो सबसे पहला हमारा करंट अफेयर्स का वन लाइनर है। ₹4K करोड़, मतलब कि 4,000 करोड़, allotted for youth training on skill knowledge awareness. Tax for income ranging rupees 3 to 5 lakh is halved to 5%. Government aims to achieve 100% rural electrification by May 2018. Budget. Fiscal deficit target of 3.2% sets by government in 2017-18. Service charge on e-rail tickets booking through IRCTC withdrawn. Union Budget 2017-18. All railway coaches to be equipped with bio toilets by 2019. Manrega MGNREGA got highest allocation of fund of rupee 48,000 crore for 2017-2018. Defense budget got hiked by 10% to rupee 2,74,000 crore. Water taxi services on Yamuna to start by June. Tax for firms with turnover of rupees 50 crore reduced to 25%. Two new AIIMS aims to be constructed in Jharkhand and Gujarat. Donations for political parties got limited to rupee 2,000 per donor in cash mode. India to participate in International Economic Forum at St. Petersburg as guest of honor. High-level consultations on counter-terrorism between India and Russia. 31st Surajkund International Crafts Mela to started. All India Radio launched special FM radio station at Sainagar, Shirdi, Maharashtra. Mughal Gardens to open for public from February 5th. A video in support of UNICEF campaign shared by Priyanka. India Art Fair starts in Delhi. In 2016, India recorded highest domestic air passenger growth. National Rail Museum celebrates 40th anniversary. 10th edition Sula Festival starts in Maharashtra. To encourage women voters, EC sets pink polling booths in Goa. Annual Udyanotsav of Rashtrapati Bhavan inaugurated by Pranab Mukherjee. Government proposes railway line in Arunachal at 9,000 feet. Health Ministry launches measles rubella vaccination campaign. Dalhousie Road in central Delhi got renamed as Dara Shikoh Road. ONGC replaces Rajiv Gandhi name with Pandit Deendayal for its building. Owing to personal reasons, Paneer Selvam resigns as Tamil Nadu CM. Joint exercise to be held between Indian Coast Guard and UAE counterparts. Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu released annual book Bharat 2017 and India 2017. 17th BIMSTEC senior officials meeting to be held at Kathmandu. Sportspersons of Jharkhand to get 2% reservation in government jobs. I&B Ministry, Information and Broadcasting Ministry, earned rupee 15 lakh by selling old junk material. India Education Fair for Sri Lankan students starts in Colombo. First smart police station inaugurated in Andhra Pradesh. Jaisalmer Desert Festival starts in Sam sand dunes. E-cabinet paperless system implemented in Arunachal Pradesh. Assam government got permission on usage of drones for vigilance from center. Government decides to open 56 post office passport seva kendras. iOS version of Beam Payments app launched. Sudarshan Pattanai creates record of world's tallest sand castle. International Coin Fair to be held at Thiruvananthapuram. Indian Railways conducts world's largest online test. Karnataka Assembly passed bill on Kambala. INS Sarvekshak, the first Indian warship to use solar power. To reduce smoke around Delhi, smoke free towers to be installed by Haryana. Talent Hunt portal for emerging sportspersons launched by Sports Ministry. First floating elementary school of India inaugurated in Manipur. New museum about Indian music to be opened at Bangalore. Indian kids sets a record of making fly 7,730 paper planes in 1 minute. Tamra app launched in ensure lucidity in mining operations government. Delhi Aims won first prize in Kayakalp Awards for sanitation and hygiene. 5-day Indian Panorama Film Festival planned in Port Blair. Service of delivering milk for babies in trains launched by Rail Yatri. K. Palanisamy sworn in as new CM of Tamil Nadu. IIM Bill 2017 removes name of Rajiv Gandhi from IIM Shillong. Railway Ministry Suresh Prabhu on a 3-day official visit to Nepal. Mail Banche program organized in all government schools of Madhya Pradesh. The longest non-stop distance between two railway stations in India spans 528 kilometers between Vadodara and Kota. Arunachal Pradesh Mizoram celebrates Statehood Day. Madhya Pradesh celebrates Khajuraho Dance Festival. Antivirus software for mobiles and desktops launched for free by government. India's first heliport to be commissioned in Delhi. First strategic dialogue between India and China held in Beijing. Installing of 900 megawatt hydropower project at Nepal got approved from center. Tobacco food products like gutka, pan masala banned in Punjab. Former Indian Navy ship Virat to be decommissioned on March 6th. Dance festival Brahan Natyanjali starts at Tanjavur Temple. India's first mountain biking path opened in Darjeeling. Adiyogi 112 foot tall Shiva statue revealed at Isha Foundation in Coimbatore. Select city of Bangladesh to get financial assistance from India on its development. India's Foreign Secretary Jaishankar to visit US. US products boycotted by Mexicans to protest Trump's world tax. SARC Programming Committee meeting starts today in Kathmandu. Kuwait suspends issuance of visa for travels to stop entry of radical Islamic terrorists. Ban on American wrestling team lifted by Iran. China overcomes Germany to be the world's largest producer of solar power. 2.5 crore Africans to be trained free by IBM. Free Wi-Fi zone to be set up at Everest Base Camp. China starts fingerprinting all foreign visitors. Eiffel Tower to get bulletproof walls amid terrorism fears. China unveils world's longest elevated cycleway. Valentine's Day celebrations got banned by Pakistan court. Dubai to implement self-driving drones to 5 people across country from July. First joint military exercise between US and Thailand since Trump's power begins. Panda is chosen as logo of WWF. New cross-border power lines to be built between India and Nepal. US will not stop green card holders on planes from entering country. China streets implemented by robot police officers for patrolling. Sierra Leone approves Bengali as its official language. All coal imports from North Korea got banned by China. Ninth edition of BRICS summit to be take place at China's Xiamen city. Saudi foreign minister makes a rare visit to Baghdad. New Zealand approves sign language as official language. First Chinese official visit to US after Trump chaired to be happen. UK India Year of Culture 2017 hosted by Queen Elizabeth II at Buckingham Palace. IMF reported as GDP of India is projected to slow to 6.6% on the effect of demonetization. ICICI Bank recommences transactions via Flipkart's PhonePe. Assocham recommends RBI to reduce interest rate by 75 bps. IDBI Bank lowers its MCLR by 30 to 35 bps. Three fully automated branches launched by Bank of America. HDFC Bank becomes second most valued company by surpassing Reliance. Interdisciplinary Standing Committee been appointed to review cyber threats by RBI. Growth of industrial sector to fall to 5.2% in FY17 from 7.4%. Fiscal deficit reaches 94% of the budget estimate. Wind turbine breaks world record for the 24-hour energy generation. Google dethrones Apple to become world's most valuable brand. Mukesh Bansal's CureFit acquires majority stake in the tribe. In India, Apple to start its manufacturing. Sports car under new sub-brand Tamo launched by Tata Motors. India opens coal mining market for first time in 40 years. Uber launches Uber Hire in 9 cities. Tata Steel signs agreement with the Liberty House. Flipkart rehires 2 executives to launch grocery business. India world's fastest growing e-commerce market. Mobile app soon to be launched by Tax Department for Income Tax PAN card. E-commerce site Snapdeal tonight with Paytm's e-commerce site. Anil Ambani's Reliance may sell its 1% Paytm stake. Report. Purchase of jewellery for more than rupee 2 lakh by cash will be charged 1% tax. Telenor's India operations to be acquired by Bharti Airtel. TCS ranked world's third most valuable brand in IT services. GDP growth for current upcoming two fiscals is projected as 7% by OECD. Anushka becomes ambassador of Swachh Bharat campaign. Tata Group official and ex-BSE CEO Madhu Kannan joins Uber. Vikram Libaye becomes as new CEO of National Stock Exchange. Ministry of Finance appoints Sanjeev Sanyal as Principal Economic Advisor. SoftBank's COO Jonathan Bullock resigns boards of Ola, Snapdeal and Housing. Rajiv Singh sworn in as acting CEO of Prasar Bharati. Cyrus Mistry removed from Tata Sons board. Gaurav Kapoor appointed as IndusInd Bank's chief economist. Ajay Tyagi becomes as new SEBI chairman. Matt Idema appointed as first ever COO of WhatsApp. Vikas Swarup appointed as India's High Commissioner to Canada. Shurhozeli Lizitsu becomes the new CM of Nagaland. And Chandrasekaran steps in as Tata Sons chairman. Somalia president appoints Hassan Ali Khair as its new prime minister. T.R. Zeliang, former CM of Nagaland, appointed as finance advisor to state government. Anish Kapoor, Indian origin sculptor, won 1 million US dollars Israelis Genesis Prize. Grammy's Best World Music Album Award won by Indian musician Sandeep Das. 5 Grammys including Album of the Year won by singer Adele. British actor Dave Patel named Best Supporting Actor at BAFTA Awards 2017. Laureus Awards 2017 won by Simon Biles Usain Bolt. Indian hockey player Sandeep Singh to be given honorary doctorate. Legendary Award 2017 awarded to Indian singer Lata Mangeshkar by Laureate. Oscars 2017 Best Foreign Film award won by Iranian film The Salesman. 89th Oscar Academy Awards 2017 La La Land won maximum of 6 awards. Oscars 2017 Best Animated Feature Film won by Zootopia. Amend on bilateral taxation treaty agreed by India and Austria. 209 MOU Memorandum of Understanding got signed between different companies in Momentum Jharkhand. 3 MOUs signed between India and Rwanda to boost bilateral relations. India Israel made a deal of rupee 17,000 crore on jointly developing a missile IMR-SAM. Agreement to boost bilateral trade and to enhance economic cooperation got signed between India and Croatia. Alibaba made app helps find 611 missing Chinese children. World's smallest pacemaker unveiled. New 2-in-1 laptop with curved display patented by Intel. On support to Indian team's moon mission, Ratan Tata introduced Moonshot Wheels bus. Apple patents for convertible dual-mode headphones. ISRO to launch a record 104 satellites in single mission on Feb 15. World's first commercial flying car opens for sale. IBM plans for emergency weather alerts without internet through mobile app. GSLV Mark III rocket engine tested successfully by ISRO. Moto Z cover turns phones into walkie-talkies with 8 km range. Microsoft launches Skype Lite app offers which works even on 2G. World's first 5G supporting smartphone launched by ZTE. Nokia relaunches its highest selling model Nokia 3310 with color display for Rupee 3500. Air defense missile system Israeli Spider prepared by India. 2 people trip around moon planned by SpaceX in 2018. Medals for Tokyo 2020 games to be made from recycled mobile phones. 15-year-old junior shuttle from Dehradun ranked world number 1. 29th national title won by QS Pankaj Advani. Alistair Cook awarded Order of the British Empire. India squash team wins gold at Asian Junior Squash Championships. FIBA Women's Asia Cup Basketball Tournament to be hosted by India. Alistair Cook steps down as England's Test team captain. Mohit Alawat, the first cricketer to score 300 in T20s at any level. Saurabh Verma won men's singles title at National Badminton Championship. New Delhi, Sports Minister Vijay Goyal today launches Mission 11 Million program. Official mascot of FIFA Under-17 World Cup Helio released. India won the T20 World Cup for blind. Ashwin breaks Lily record to fastest 250 wickets. Joe Root appointed as new captain of England's Test team. First ITTF World Tour event in India starts today in New Delhi. PV Sindhu moves up in BWF rankings to career best number 5th. Grandmaster Dronwali and Padmini won World Women's Chess Championship. IPL 2017 auction, Ben Stokes the highest bidded player of the auction for the edition for 14.5 crore. Kohli becomes first Indian athlete to sign a rupee 100 crore deal with a brand. Shooting World Cup, bronze medal won by Pooja Ghatkar of India. 67 athletes to run in IDBI Federal Life Insurance New Delhi Marathon 2017. Hockey India League 2017 won by Kalinga Lancers. World record set by Hyderabad girl for playing marathon carom. Saina Nehwal to represent Olympic Committee in BWF. ISS World Cup men's 10-meter air pistol bronze medal bagged by Indian shooter Jitu Rai. E. Ahmed, Member of Parliament, passes away at 78. Joginder Singh, the former CBI director, passes away. MRI pioneer and Nobel laureate Sir Peter Mansfield passes away at 83. Former MP Jambuwanta Rao Dote, widely called as Lion of Vidarbha, passes away. Vitaly Churkin, Russia's ambassador to UN, passed away. P. Shiv Shankar, former Union Minister, passes away at age 88. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स। अगर आपको ये वीडियो आज का पसंद आया हो तो आप इसे लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए। आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आप ये बटन देखकर भी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और हमारे बाकी के वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स। होप यू हैव वंडरफुल डे अहेड। टेक केयर।